flight. The time right now is 1900 hours of 9 Jan 2025.
कांग्रेचुलेट करता हूं। वैसे ये बहुत ही हिस्टोरिकल एक्सपेडिशन है। आप सबके ऊपर पूरे हिंदुस्तान को बहुत ही नाज है, यानी एक सेंस ऑफ प्राइड सबके अंदर, हर हिंदुस्तानी के अंदर है।
With the blessings of the whole nation, the Indian Navy's Navika Sagar Parikrama 2 expedition by Lieutenant Commander Dilna K and Lieutenant Commander Rupa A on board INSV Tarini was flagged off by Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, the Chief of Naval Staff, from INS Mandavi in Goa on 2nd October 2024.
Continuously 30 knots of wind blowing off Kannur, and the sea is completely lit up. It's so beautiful with bioluminescence.
With 35 knots, the winds moved up. Dilna and Rupa crossed the equator on 16th October. While heading southwards, strong currents pushed them westwards. They crossed the Tropic of Capricorn on 27th October. Winds altered, favoring them to proceed to Fremantle. The sighting of the Albatross is a sweet welcome into the temperate zone. Dilna and Rupa were honoured at the Parliament of Western Australia for their significant achievement of sailing around the world on board INSV Tarini.
And wish the Lieutenant Commanders all of the very best and fair wind for your travels around the globe.
With the blessings of the entire nation, they left Fremantle on 24th November at 11 a.m., continuing their expedition. They anticipated varied weather conditions, including frontal weather systems and dropping temperatures during their passage, covering approximately 3,400 nautical miles to Littleton, New Zealand. The sea was very violent as they crossed Cape Leuwin. Crossed into the roaring 40s, their condition worsened. They began to get seasick, and rest became a luxury in the roaring 40s as they took turns keeping the boat on course. Amid such mayhem, they repaired some problems with the motor and the multifunctional display. Experiencing a sea state of 6 and wind speed gusting up to 60 knots, they braved the violent waves and reached Littleton. At Littleton, the representatives from the Maori tribe welcomed Dilna and Rupa with Maori traditional rituals. After a brief stay with diplomatic matters and boat repairs, they left Littleton on 4th January 2025. They crossed Point Nemo on 30th January 2025. This was a special moment for seafarers and mariners, as Point Nemo, also known as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, is the point in the ocean farthest from any landmass. They crossed Cape Horn on 15th February 2025. Traveling through this region requires exceptional navigational expertise and resilience to the harsh conditions of the Southern Ocean. The passage takes the sailors through the Drake Passage, a treacherous waterway known for its extreme winds, towering waves, and unpredictable weather. After a brief stay at Port Stanley, they continued sailing to the South Atlantic Ocean. They braved storms and dangerous seas and sailed towards their next destination. Dilna and Rupa stand the test of tides, sailing through storms and proving that the ocean, like the world, has no limits for their courage.